Bird's eye view showing just some of the catastrophic flooding stretching along the Highland Lakes chain from Llano to the north through Marble Falls all the way down to Lake Travis. Homes flooded and dozens of people rescued.
And just into the newsroom, Llano ISD announcing that they will be closed again tomorrow. Burnett CISD will be on a 2-hour delay tomorrow. We'll be getting any updates and notices out on KXAN.com.
In the meantime, these pictures are just stunning.
They really are. That again is Max Starkey Dam with every floodgate open, allowing as much water as can be released through there. And there's a perfect example right there. You might want to drive through that, think, oh, I can make it, and then halfway through, you're stuck on the guardrail. Your vehicle turns over and is washed away, and often you don't make it in that kind of situation. Fortunately, those people are stopped there, not driving through that.
All right. Up next, NBC Night.